TikTok marketers have 50 variations per product. 50 different videos, images, graphics, motion graphics, etc. You need content, yo. Which is why it's funny. I see the TikToks, the viral TikToks that have been going around by the time of this recording, where it's like, hi, I'm a business owner, which unfortunately also means I have to be a content creator. So this is content. If you don't get out of here with that attitude, nobody gives a fuck about your business.
Squeeze me? Oh, no, you did.
Rule number one. So you gotta make them care. And how you make them care is with the content. And if you don't want to be a content creator, you probably shouldn't be a business owner. It gets on my nerves, yo. Excuses, yo. Cats are scared of the work. Get to work.